healthy take on country fried steak. Enter crispy steak fingers. We have dietitian Bethany Frazier explaining it all. What it starts with lean protein, right? And you've already got our cube. It's a cube steak, right?
Yep.
Right down here, ready to go. So first off, what are the elements we need to put together a healthy dinner?
Yeah, I think it can be really daunting for a family, especially if you want to make a quick dinner, to think, what is a healthy meal? What does it look like? And we tend to think, oh, it's got to be a salad or something really expensive, but really there's just a couple key elements. You make sure you have a good source of protein, healthy fat, a good fiber-rich carb, and then obviously a vegetable.
And your vegetable.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you, but that can look still like comfort food. So I'm going to show you how to make these steak fingers that definitely look like comfort food.
Well, country fried steak is like the ultimate comfort food, you know, with your mashed potatoes and gravy and everything. But I'm anxious to see what you've got lined up for us here today. So let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah, so we use this cube steak, or it's tenderized round steak, it's sometimes called either. And it's a lean cut of steak, which usually is really tough when it's lean. But because it's tenderized, it means that's going to be that perfect texture for a steak finger. And when we look at healthy foods, we usually think, oh man, I got to look at a whole list of ingredients. But steak or beef just has one simple ingredient and 10 essential nutrients. So really simple to keep it healthy for your family. So we slice it into 1-inch fingers. And then we're going to put it in just a milk and egg mixture. And then we're going to put it into our coating. And our coating actually has flaxseed. And flax, if you remember our elements, flax is a healthy fat. It's also a fiber-rich carb. So you're knocking off 2 of those boxes just by having our coating this way. And we add a little bit of spices. Our spices are a little bit of chipotle pepper. You can use any pepper you like.
Get a little flavor to it, a little kick.
And then we use some garlic powder and a little bit of salt. And then you'll mix that all together. You coat your steak finger next.
So this is almost like we're making chicken fingers here too.
And this is just the same cut that you would use for like a country fried steak. So it's still going to have some of those same elements. And then instead of frying it like you would a chicken finger, you're going to put it, you're going to bake it. And this all goes down in about 15 minutes in the oven. And I always recommend that you put it on one of these oven-safe baking racks or cooling racks. Because that way it gets really crispy. So instead of that frying secret. So it gets all the corners mixed.
Awesome. So again, the best cut is this is the cube steak or the round steak to use, and you just cut it into fingers. Now, I honestly I can't think of the last time I bought cube steak. So does it come in just like a
comes just like this,
just like that little full enough patty or whatever? Not patty, but you know what I'm saying.
And you can always tenderize any meat yourself and use that. If you just have a lean cut of meat, you can use that. But it wouldn't be complete if we didn't make a gravy,
Obviously, gotta have the gravy.
So while that's cooking, then we can make our gravy. Our gravy has starts with a base of butter, and we're gonna actually use flax again as our thickener instead of flour. And flax has the benefit of being gluten-free naturally. So you make a gluten-free gravy. You add your spices, again, pepper, salt, and a little bit of garlic salt, and then you add milk till it's the right thickness. And I like to add it to, my family is not big salad eaters, but I like to add it to like a mashed cauliflower and mashed potato mixture. And just add the gravy on top, and then you're getting all those elements. You're getting your vegetable, your lean protein, your healthy fat, and your fiber-rich carb.
Do you guys do the half and half cauliflower potatoes?
Just don't tell my family.
So do you tell the kids? That's the thing.
Not usually.
Because sometimes we'll do the cauliflower, add into like a taco meat or something like that. It sounds, sometimes it's so bad to hide it from the kids, but you know what? If they don't know,
they don't know. I know, that's what I think too.
All right. Any other just real quick tips on the vegetables here for a side? We mentioned salad, but what else would you serve with this?
So the mashed potatoes or the mashed cauliflower are good. You could also put this gravy over. You could dip the gravy or the steak fingers right into the gravy as a side, or you can have a salad. You could also do like asparagus or green beans, anything that you could just drizzle the gravy over top would be really delicious
too. All right. Well, Bethany, thank you for your time and a great dinner idea right there. Thank you.
Really quick.
Belinda.